If you use Canva to design your marketing graphics, and HighLevel to run your funnels, websites and automations, then this new update is going to save you a lot of time. HighLevel has officially launched a Canva integration directly in media storage, completely changing how you manage design assets in your marketing system. Instead of jumping back and forth between platforms, downloading graphics from Canva, and then uploading them into your funnel builder or media library, you can now access your Canva designs directly inside HighLevel. You can browse them, open them in Canva, download them, and import them into your HighLevel media library in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the Canva integration inside HighLevel does, why it is a significant update for marketers and agencies. You will learn how to set it up, and how to use it properly inside your workflows. And if you are not yet using HighLevel, there is a special link in the description where you can start a 30-day free trial, which is double the normal 14-day trial. Why is the Canva integration such a big deal, you may ask? Most marketers today rely heavily on Canva to create their graphics. You might be creating social media posts, funnel graphics, ad creatives, website images, email banners, or YouTube thumbnails. The problem is that the workflow has always been a bit clunky. Normally, the process looks like this. You create your design in Canva. Then you download the file to your computer. Then you open HighLevel and upload the file to media storage. From there, you insert the image into your funnel or website. If you do this once or twice, it is not a big deal. But if you are building funnels every day or managing multiple client campaigns, it quickly becomes inefficient. HighLevel solved this problem by integrating Canva directly into the platform. Now you can access your designs directly from media storage without constantly switching tools. The Canva integration connects one Canva account to a specific HighLevel location, which is also called a sub-account. Once connected, HighLevel creates a dedicated Canva view inside media storage. From that view, you can do several things. You can browse your Canva designs. You can open supported designs inside the Canva editor. You can download Canva exports. You can import Canva designs into your HighLevel media library. The important thing to understand is that Canva becomes a content source, while My Media inside HighLevel becomes your permanent asset library. So when you import a design, it becomes an independent file inside HighLevel that you can use across funnels, websites, emails, and marketing campaigns. Let's talk about the key benefits of the Canva integration. The first benefit is faster creative workflows. You can browse, open, download, and import Canva designs directly from media storage without leaving HighLevel. That alone saves a huge amount of time. The second benefit is centralized asset management. Once you import designs into My Media, you can reuse them anywhere in HighLevel. That means your funnels, emails, landing pages, and campaigns can all pull assets from the same organized library. The third benefit is team visibility. Because the Canva integration is set to the location level, everyone in that HighLevel account can see the Canva assets. This makes collaboration much easier for agencies and marketing teams. And finally, the integration improves collaboration by making imported files independent assets. That means no more confusion with shared Canva links or downloaded files floating around between team members. Setting up the integration only takes a minute. Inside HighLevel, go to Media Storage. You will see a button labeled Connect Canva. Click that button. A new browser tab will open where you will log into Canva and authorize the connection using OAuth. Simply click Allow to grant access. Once you return to HighLevel, the Canva button will show as connected. You can now select Canva from the Media Storage drop-down menu and browse your designs. At that point, your Canva library is accessible directly inside HighLevel. If you want to edit a design, you can open it directly in Canva from within Media Storage. To do this, simply click on the three dots at the top right of the design and select Edit in Canva. This will open the Canva editor in a new browser tab. However, editing permissions depend on who connected the Canva integration and on the file's permissions in Canva. The following file types stored in my media can also be edited in Canva, PNG, JPG, and JPEG. If you are not the person who installed the integration, you might see a message saying you have view-only access. In that case, you can simply import the design into your own media library and edit that version instead. HighLevel also lets you download Canva exports directly from media storage. The export format actually depends on how many pages your design has. So, single-page designs will export as PNG, while multi-page designs export as PDF. To download a design, click the Download button in the top right corner of the asset. The file will download straight to your computer. Before you can use a Canva design inside funnels or pages, you must first import it into My Media. Importing creates a new independent file inside HighLevel. To import a design, click the three dots in the top right corner of the design, then select Import to Media Library. The file will then appear in My Media and can be used across HighLevel. One important thing to understand is that imported files are not linked to the original Canva design. If you update the design in Canva later, it will not automatically update the imported version in HighLevel. However, the same design can be imported multiple times if needed. The Canva integration works at the location level. That means one Canva account is connected to a specific HighLevel sub-account. The user who installs the integration has full editing access. Other users in that location can still browse designs, search assets, download designs, and import them into My Media. However, they cannot connect a different Canva account unless the integration is first uninstalled. Also, users accessing accounts through the Login as feature do not have access to the Canva integration. If you ever need to disconnect the integration, it is very simple. Go to the App Marketplace, then open Installed Apps. Find Canva and click Uninstall. Disconnecting removes the OAuth connection and stops Canva designs from appearing in media storage. However, any files you already imported into My Media will remain in your library. After disconnecting, you can connect a different Canva account if needed. The new Canva integration inside HighLevel Media Storage is a simple update, but it makes a big difference for marketers. It removes the constant switching between platforms. It speeds up creative workflows. It centralizes your design assets, and it makes collaboration easier for teams and agencies. If you regularly create graphics in Canva and use HighLevel to run funnels, websites, and marketing campaigns, this integration will save you a significant amount of time. And if you are not yet using HighLevel, you can start with a special 30-day free trial using the link in the description. That is double the usual 14-day trial, so you can explore everything HighLevel offers, including this new Canva integration. Check out the link in the description to get started. If you found this video valuable, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more HighLevel content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.